Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use OTG adapter or OTG pen drive in OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. Before you start the video, request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So this one is a OTG adapter. This is a normal pen drive. So I insert the pen drive to the OTG adapter. Then I insert this setup to the phone. So insert this setup into the Type-C port like this. So after inserting, you need to open the settings of the phone. Now we need to open the system settings. Now swipe up, you can see the option called OTG connection. You need to enable. It will automatically navigate into the My Files. You can see now the recognizing is started. The OTG is directed successfully. You need to click on the OTG, open the files. So this one is files from the pen drive. You can see all the files. If you want to copy any files from the pen drive, you need to click and hold the file, then click copy and choose phone storage, then click copy to here. Now the file is copied to the internal storage. So after your work is finished, you need to eject the pen drive before removing. So open the notification area, then click the tab to remove USB safely. Wait for a few seconds. Then only you can remove the pen drive from the phone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.